Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to set alarm on Android 2025. Let's begin. First, we need to find an application that is named Clock. Of course, your clock application might be a little bit different since it really depends on the type of phone you have. But for me, it is here in the alarm. As you can see, in order to create a new alarm, we hit this big plus icon. And now we want to set our hour. So let's go with 10 p.m. Let's hit OK. And as you can see, the alarm is set for 4 hours and 90 minutes from now. That's pretty cool. Now if we can set if we want to have a different name, vibrate. Do we want to enable the weather forecast as well? Do we want to add it to Google Assistant routine and all of that? Once again, this might totally differ depending on your system and your phone. For example, this won't look the same on Xiaomi phone or Realme phone and all of that. And if you're wondering, I'm currently using Google Pixel. But yeah, that's how you set a custom alarm. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.